Alright guys, what's going on? Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design, here with the review today on the BOSE QuiteComfort 45 headphones. Final Web Design, this is Steve. So these are some of the newest BOSE QuiteComfort headphones. So why don't we just open these up real quick and take a look at exactly what you get. So the packaging here, very high quality packaging, standard BOSE, everything done. So it looks like when you open this, you're getting a nice case here. I wish I could show you actually unboxing it here. And then obviously the quick instruction manual, which I'm not going to go through, maybe some of the warranty stuff, things like that. So once you open the box, you will find another BOSE case. Now this is pretty standard that they hand these out with all their headphones, because obviously you want to protect them if you have them in your bag and such. And as you see, they fit in there just perfectly. Real nice little fit. The nice thing about these is, along with the case, you're also getting the charging cord, which you should usually have a micro USB, but if not, there is one here. And then obviously they give you the hard wire. Now these are all Bluetooth nowadays in 2022, and I'm sure most people do. Some people like the wire if it's like you're in actual production and stuff. Sometimes the Bluetooth just isn't as high a quality. But wow guys, these are beautiful. They seem a little bit tinier than my last set of BOSE, but it's like a nice tiny. So turning these on, I'm sure you will see everything. Oh, they are quiet. You can barely hear anything around you. So yeah, pretty impressive. They turn on really nice. I don't think you can hear that sound they play. It's almost like when you start a movie and they have the intro. So that's pretty cool. They have the noise cancellation features, as you can see on here, a few buttons for the battery, the noise cancellation, the asking for Siri and such, and then powering on and off as you need. So guys, those are the new BOSE QuiteComfort 45 headphones. Super cool. These are what I needed for my work. I'm on meetings all day. I'm also making these type of videos and such, and that's why I don't have my headphones on right now, because they're actually broken. So the earpiece fell off, so that's why I got a new pair today. But you guys check these out, new BOSE QuiteComforts. If you have any questions about them, leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you. Like and subscribe, that stuff helps, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.